Stories of garlic being used to protect us from the fanged-tooth Dracula may not be of a great help in recent times. Even though garlic may not drive out an evil vampire, it surely can ward off all the blood-sucking diseases in our bodies. It is one of the most frequently used products in our diet. With the increasing health benefits, it can surely help us clear all the major illnesses in our life. The presence of sulfur gives garlic that biting smell for which it has become so famous. These odors and smells help you fight all kinds of diseases. Also, ample amounts of vitamin B6, vitamin C, and selenium is present in garlic. A good source of manganese is available also to boost your health. Studies have shown that daily dose of garlic in small amounts reduces blood pressure, serum triglycerides, platelet aggregation, and LDL-cholesterol. On the other hand, it increases the level of serum HDL-cholesterol and fibrinolysis to stimulate the production of nitric oxide, which relaxes you. The organ sulfur compound obtained in garlic is known as ajoine and is used to treat skin cancer. It prevents heart disease and any risk of stroke. It is able to cut down on the number of free radicals present in the bloodstream. And by the way, if you want to know which are the most powerful remedies growing in your state, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description below this video. And now, home remedies with garlic. Garlic has been widely used to cure acne. By rubbing garlic cloves on the affected area, it can get rid of acne. It purifies your blood, which cleanses and keeps acne away. To get rid of warts, apply garlic juice on the wart, 2 times daily for about a week. Garlic is termed as an aphrodisiac. By consumption of 2 or 3 raw garlic cloves in a day, you could help overcome your sexual impotency problem. Garlic juice poured in your punctured ear can alleviate your pain. Next, it is also very useful for an arthritis patient. It boosts the immune system and reduces the pain. Next, by chewing garlic, you can get rid of a cold. The antiviral agents help to fight off a cold in a matter of days. Next, rubbing a garlic clove on a cut can clear off any chances of infection. Next, having garlic once a day would help you clear your allergies. Next, having 2 or 3 cloves of garlic every morning can help you overcome back problems. Next, to beat cough problems, use 10 to 15 garlic cloves. Chop them up properly. Cover them with honey and keep them overnight. Now have it first thing in the morning. It would help you cure your coughing problems. I would also like to mention that if you want to discover the forgotten power of plants, you should take a second and check out the first link in our description. Thanks for watching.